Good afternoon, students. Myself Jitendra Jain from New Step Academy Karavali. Today, again, we are studying about the rational numbers day 4 for class 8. Now, just a recap about our last class that we have studied in our last class about the properties of rational numbers. The first one properties is closure property. Under the closure property, we have studied about the addition. The addition is that we have, if we are adding any two rational numbers, the result should be a rational number. Okay. Now, the another second operation in closure property is the subtraction, where if we subtract any two rational numbers, the result should be a rational number. If we multiply any two rational number, the result should be a rational numbers. Definitely these three operations are closed under the addition, subtraction and multiplication is there. Now, the fourth one operation is division. The division is a divided by b is not necessary that any time it may be a rational number, sometime it may be a undefined number is also. So the division process under closure property is not a rational numbers. Okay. Now the second property that we have studied about the commutative properties. The commutative properties show that the addition should be a plus b, then it may be equal to b plus a is also there. Yes, definitely it is commutative. Subtraction, a minus b is not equal to b minus a, so we cannot say that it is a commutative under the subtraction. Now the multiplication is also there, a cross b equal to b cross a. Definitely it is also commutative. And division is also not a commutative because a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. Now today that we have studied the next property, that is called associative property. This associative property have at least 3 digits are there. Just like we can say that a plus b plus c is equal to, you should add in 3 rational numbers, you should add last 2 digits first, then add the result should be add in a first. Or you can say that first 2 rational number you should add first, then the result should be add to third one. So maybe this may be equal or not, we will discuss in our description. Okay. Now in the last property is a distributive property. Distributive property is showing two operations in a same questions. Just like whenever you are multiplied on, subtraction is also there, then a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. We will see in our next step. Now you will see, before this property, read to this property, we have to understand about the BODMAS. What is BODMAS? BODMAS is a method to solve your problems. Whenever you are getting any type of problems, just like first of all division is there, then after you should solve multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. If you are not follow this BODMAS, then what will happen we will see. Now we have taking an example, same questions written in both sides. First of all we do not follow BODMAS, and second of we are following our BODMAS is there. Now you will see that this number is 8 plus 2 multiplied by 5. Both numbers are same, 8 plus 2 multiplied by 5. Now normally the students are solved like 8 plus 2 it is 10 multiplied by 5, and 10 multiplied by 5 is equal to 50, but it is wrong. You have to follow the BODMAS system. According to BODMAS, first of all you have to solve brackets. Here is not bracket is there. Then now you have to follow the order. Order is division. You have to do division first. You are not taking any division here. The multiplication is, yes, multiplication is also there. So you have to solve first of all multiplication. So what will you do in the multiplication? That is 8 plus, you have to solve first multiplication. That means 2 into 5, 10. Okay. After multiplication you have to go for addition. So now 8 plus 10 it is 18. So right answer is 18. If you are going to from this method, this is wrong answer and this is your right answer. So you have to always follow the BODMAS whenever you are solving more than 2 numbers. Now we will discuss about the associative property. Okay, now in associative property we are taking the 3 numbers is there, and in this 3 number we have to add first 2 number and the result should be added in another number. Okay, now we will see and understand with this example. Now we have taking the 3 digits are there, minus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, minus 2 upon 3. Now what will, according to associative property, minus 1 upon 2 plus, make a bracket here, 3 upon 4 plus the another digit is minus 2 by 3 and digit. As it is, the in front of this side, first of all we are taking a bracket for minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 and then plus minus 2 upon 3. Okay, this is A, B, C. So this is A plus B plus C in bracket. Now A plus B and plus C in bracket. Now next step, you have to first of solve these brackets. Okay, so minus 1 upon 2 plus, now come in this bracket, this is 3 upon 4, sorry, then plus and minus, it become minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now next side, same, minus 1 upon 2, this is plus, 3 upon 4, this is plus and minus multiplied and result is minus 2 by 3. Is it clear? Now next step, minus 1 upon 2 plus, under the bracket you have to add these two rational numbers. For adding the rational numbers you have to take LCM. So now 4 and 3, the LCM is 12. Now 12 divided by 4, you will get 3, the 3 and the answer is your 3 minus, now the number is 2 multiplied with, now 3 divided by 12, 4 multiplied here. Okay, again this bracket you will solve it. Now you will get the LCM is 4, your number is minus 1 multiplied with 2, 4 is divided by 2, result is 2 plus 4, number is 3, 4 divided by 4, it is 1 minus 2 by 3. Now solve this problem. This bracket 3 into 3, that is 9, minus 4 into 2, 8 divided by 12 is equal to, again this bracket minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2 because one number is minus, plus 3 into 1, 3 divided by 4 minus 2 upon 3. Now the next step, minus 1 upon 2. Now solve this, 9 minus 8, that is 1, and 1 is positive number. Okay, because here big digit is 9 and 9 is a positive, so difference is 1 and sign of 1. Now again solve this, minus 2 plus 3, you will get difference 1, bigger digit is positive, so just put positive here, and minus 2 by 3. Again you have to solve both the sides. Just take LCM, here 2 and 12, your LCM is 12, your above number is 1, minus 1 is multiplied with 2 divided by 12 divided by 2, it is 6, plus again put 1 numerator, then 12 divided by 12, that is 1. Okay, in this side your LCM is 12, again put your numerator 1, 12 divided by 4, it is 3, the sign is minus, above number numerator is 2, now 12 divided by 3 equal to 4, it is multiplied by 4. Okay, now minus 1 into 6, it is minus 6 plus 1 into 1 1 divided by 12. Okay, 1 into 3 3 minus 2 into 4 8 divided by 12. Again you will see minus 6 plus 1, that means minus 5. Those numbers are different sign, so you have to find out the difference. Difference is 5, put the sign of bigger digit. Bigger digit is minus 6. 12. Now 3 minus 8, you have to find out difference. Difference is 5 and the sign of bigger digit is minus, divided by 12. Is it clear? So these numbers are associative. So you can say rational numbers are under addition. Is it clear? Now we will see about the rational numbers are associative under subtraction or not. These two numbers are given again. Same numbers are there, but you have to put this form: a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. Okay, so we will just solve it. Minus 1 upon 2 minus b 3 upon 4 minus c, it's a minus 2 by 3 is equal to or not, we will define after operation. Now a minus 1 upon 2 minus b लिखना है आपको, that is 3 upon 4 bracket close, again minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now we will solve it. Minus 1 upon 2 minus, then solve the bracket. These are the bracket. Now second step, minus minus, you will get plus 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3 equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4, and this minus minus become plus, that is 2 upon 3. Now you have to find out the LCM and solve it. Minus 1 upon 2 minus, in bracket the LCM is 12. शॉर्ट में लिख रहा हूँ मैं, 12 divided by 4 it is 3, 3 multiplied by 3 it is 9. Put the sign plus 3, 4 आएगा, 4 का 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 8. ओके, नाउ LCM is again 4. 2 divided by 4 2 को मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 1 से किया तो minus 2. Put the sign minus here. 4 divided by 4 1 multiplied by 3 it is 3 plus 2 upon 3. Is it clear? Now again you will see minus 1 upon 2 minus 9 plus 8 it is 17 divided by 12 equal to minus 2 and minus 3, both numbers should be added. 2 plus 3 5 and the sign of minus, 4 plus 2 upon 3. The next step is, this is minus 1 upon 2, this is minus 17 upon 12 equal to minus 5 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3. Now you will find out the LCM for both sides. Now the LCM is 12. 12 is divided by 2, it is 6. 6 is multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 6. 12 divided by 12 1 multiplied by 17 it is 17. Okay, again here LCM is 12. 12 is divided by 4, you will get 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15, and sign is minus, plus 4 multiplied by 2 8. Now minus 6 and minus 17, both numbers you should add here. 17 plus 6 it is 23, and both numbers are minus, so we will place here minus. Now 15 plus 8, both numbers are different signs, so we will get difference. So now 15 minus 8, so how much the difference is there? That is 7, and the sign for bigger digit is our 15. So 15 have minus sign, so we will put here minus. These number both are not equal. So we can say that rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Is it clear? Rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Okay. Now we will go for checking our next operation. It is multiplication. That is, multiplication is associative or not. Okay. Now we will see the operation criteria is A cross B cross C, A cross B and cross C. Same numbers we have taken here. Write according to our conditions. Minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with B, 3 upon 4 multiplied with C minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Equal. Minus 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 4, put the bracket and multiplied with minus 2 upon 3. Now next step, you have to solve first bracket multiplied. Whenever you are doing multiplication, so you have to multiply both the numerator and both the denominator. So 3 multiplied with minus 2, that is your minus 6. 4 multiplied by 3, it is 12. Okay. Now numerator minus 1 and 3, the answer is minus 3. 2 multiplied by 4, it is 8. Multiplied with minus 2 divided by 3. Next step, minus 1 multiplied by minus 6. So minus minus become plus and 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 12, it is 24. Minus 3 multiplied with minus 2. That means minus minus plus and 3 multiplied by 2, it is 6. 8 multiplied by 3, it is again 24. So both numbers are equal. So we can say rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Is it clear? Now the last operation, which is division. So we will find about division. Division is associative or not. Now again same conditions, A divided by B divided by C equal to A divided by B and divided by C. Same conditions, we will put numbers in our conditions is there. Minus 1 upon 2 divide by 3 upon 4 divide by minus 2 upon 3. Another side, put the bracket. Number A is your minus 1 upon 2 divide by B, that is 3 upon 4 bracket close, divide by minus 2 by 3. Now first of all you have to solve the brackets, so you just remain the other numbers as it is. 3 upon 4. Now okay, is it clear? Now put the bracket here. Again minus 1 upon 2. Now the sign of division should be changed in multiplication, and 3 upon 4 should be go for reciprocal, that is 4 upon 3. Again divide by minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Now the next step is minus 1 upon 2 divide by, solve the bracket, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, the sign of minus 9. 4 multiplied by 2, it is 8. Again this bracket, minus 1 multiplied with 4, minus 4, 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Divide by minus 2 divided by 3. Okay. Now again solve these conditions. Minus 1 upon 2. Now you have to change sign in multiply. Reciprocal of this number, we just place minus here, 8 upon 9. Okay. Now number is minus 4 upon 6. Change the sign into multiplication. Reciprocal the number, 3 upon 2 and minus put here. Okay. Again multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Minus 1 multiplied with minus 8. the result is plus 8. Divide by 9 by 2, it is 18. Okay, minus 4 multiplied with minus 3, that is minus 12. Divide by 6 by 2, 6 multiplied by 2, it is 12. Is it clear? Here denominators are not same, but we can say this both the numbers are not equal because this is positive number, this is negative number. Okay, so this associative property, so rational numbers are not associative under division. Is it clear? Now we have studied about the associative property. Under your addition, it is yes. Under your subtraction, no. Under your sorry, minus is plus is there. Okay, sorry, this minus plus is there. So these numbers are, we have to make equal numbers. Now this is the 18 and this is 12, so you have to make the same denominators are there, then you find the which number is same or not. Okay, so now you should do, this can be divided by 6, this can be divided by 2. Now for just example, you should multiply 12 is there, 18 is there. 8 divided multiplied with 12 divided by 12 equal to, this is 1. 12 divided by 12, 1. This is 18 divided by 18. Okay, numbers is just, you can say that is number 1 and this is 8 upon 18, this is not equal to 1. So this both numbers are not equal. We can easily say that equal to 1 is not possible because 8 upon 18 is not equal to 1. And according to multiplication, yes, it is associative, and according to division, it is not associative because numbers are not same. Now the distributive property. According to distributive property, multiplication over addition. In our distributive property, we are taking two sign in our conditions. Okay, here multiplication over addition is there. That means you are using multiplication as well as addition is also there. The condition is A multiplied with B plus C is equal to you have to just solve this bracket, A multiplied with B and A multiplied with C. Now you will find it is true or not. The according to condition, we will write here minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with B plus C, that means 3 upon 4 plus minus 2 upon 3. According to these conditions, again A multiplied with B. Now your A minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with B, that is 3 upon 4 plus A is your minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with C minus 2 upon 3. Now minus 1 upon 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ, देखिए यहाँ पर हम मल्टीप्लाई पहले नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर एडिशन है, तो शुड डू फर्स्ट एडिशन बिकॉज वी हैव टू सॉल्व ब्रैकेट्स. द एलसीएम इज 12, 4 divided by 12 it is 3, 3 multiplied by 3 it is 9, 3 divided by, sorry the number is minus, 3 divided by 4 12, that is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 it is 8. Okay, now this is multiplication. You have to multiply both the numerator and both the denominator. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 3 divided by 4 into 2 8, plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, that is plus 2 divided by 3 by 2 6. Okay, now minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 9 minus 8, that is 1 divided by 12. Okay, now minus 3 divided by 8 plus 2 by 6. Again, now take LCM. Sorry, this is multiplication, so you have to multiply both the numerator and both the denominator. So minus 1, that means minus 1. 2 multiplied by 12, that is 24. Okay, now 8 and 6, so your LCM is 24. Now 8 divided by 24 divided by 8, it is 3, minus multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 9. Put here sign plus. This is 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. So minus 1 divided by 24 equal to 9 and plus 8. Then we have to find out the difference is 1. Bigger side digit is 9. Put here minus and this is equal. So we can say that distributive property is clear, that the numbers are distributive under the multiplication over addition. Okay, as well as we will see is this condition in our negative is also. The another condition for the distributive law is multiplication over subtraction. The multiplication over subtraction. Okay, so here we are taking subtraction is there. In earlier condition we are taking our addition is there. Okay, again we will solve it putting according to conditions. Minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with b is 3 upon 4 minus c, it is minus 2 by 3, equal to a multiplied with b, so minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with 3 upon 4 minus again a multiplied with c, that is minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with c minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, now this is minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with, now this is subtraction, so you have to find out the LCM. The LCM is 12. 12 is divided by 4, it is 3. 3 multiplied by 3, it is 9, minus 4. 12 divided by 3, it is 4. 4 multiplied with minus 4 multiplied with minus 2, so minus 2 it is minus 8, and minus 8 multiplied with minus it is plus, so number is plus 8. Okay, now this is multiplication, we have to multiply this minus 1 plus 3, it is minus 3. 4 multiplied by 8, 8. Minus 1 multiplied with minus 2, that means plus 2, and 2 multiplied by 3, it is 6. Again minus 1 upon 2 multiplied with, you should add this number, 8 plus 9, 16 plus 6, 17 divided by 12. Okay, now this is the number minus 3 upon 8, this is minus 2 upon 6. Solve this number, both the numerator you should add, multiply, it is minus 17, this is divided by 24, equal to minus 2 minus 3, you have to find out the LCM for 8 and 6. What was the LCM is 24. Just 24 divided by 8, you will get 3. 3 multiplied by minus 3, it is minus 9, then minus 6, you will get 4 multiplied with 2. 4 multiplied by 2, it is 8. Now minus 17 divided by 24 is equal to minus 9 minus 8, it is minus 17 divided by 24. So you can say that associative property is proved under the multiplication over your subtraction. In both conditions the distributive property is proved. Okay, now some examples for your questions. Now you will get this type of question is also fill in the blanks using properties. Now the condition is given to you. This condition is, we can say this is 7 upon 12 is A, minus 2 upon 3 is B, and 4 upon 5 is C. So you just see this is the associative property, that is A, B plus C. So this may be condition is A plus B plus C. So now which number is coming here? It is B. B is minus 2 by 3. Is it clear? Now second condition is also there. We just put here A plus B plus C इक्वल टू A प्लस B प्लस C। देखिए चेक कर लीजिए, A माइनस 5/2, B 3/7 and now C 1/2. You just put here C. Okay, this type of question is also coming in your examination. Now the most important question is verify the given statement and write the properties used in to। इस कंडीशंस के अंदर आपको पहले तो वेरीफाई करना है कि कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी, आपको पहले ये दोनों कंडीशंस सही हैं या नहीं है, पहले तो ये वेरीफाई करना है, देन उसके बाद में आपको बताना है कि कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी इसमें यूज़ की गई है। नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू जस्ट सी दैट A multiplied by B equal to B multiplied by A. That means it is your which property that we are taking this type of number. We have earlier studied about this. Today also we have studied about these properties. These are the properties. Here the condition is multiplication A multiplied by B equal to B multiplied by A. That means your property is commutative. Okay, now you have to find out the answer. The multiplication, so you just multiply both the above number. 4 multiplied by 7, it is 28, divided by 11 multiplied by 13. That means 143. Again minus 28, 143. Both conditions are approved. This is verify and the property is commutative property. So you just write here commutative property is used in this condition. Okay. Now the second condition is there. मैं बहुत ही शॉर्ट में बताऊंगा अभी, क्योंकि अभी ने बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स इस चीज़ के कर लिए हैं. अगेन यू विल सी दैट -7/8 इज A multiplied with 2/9. We will place here B. 3/5 we will place here C. This conditions 7/8, yes, this is A. 2/9 this is B, and 3/5 this is C. The conditions are here. This is our associative property. So you will solve this question and write down the yes, this is verified through the associative property. These are equal. Okay. The third condition is also there. So this type of question is also 3/11. It is A multiplied by 2/5 B. 1/2 is C. Okay. So now just 3/11 A, 2/5 B, 3/11 again A, and 1/2 is C. Put the sign between them. You will find the condition of distributive law, multiplication over addition. Okay, so now you can solve this again and you will find the same answer is there, and you can say this property is distributive property, that is multiplication over addition is there. Thank you so much. Thanks sir.